All right.
It was like torture.
Are you a doctor?
I am.
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's been.
I'm giving the orders and we're coming in.
You better tell the captain we've got to land as soon as we can.
All right, Steve, let's face a few facts.
Nice.
Otto's getting larger.
Do you know what he had for dinner?
Oh, it's a big, pretty white.
Do it.
The right Otto to fly back to the ball.
Shit. That's okay though. You never find those bonuses.
Congratulations. See you next time.
Do it. Pick 3.
Week for 3.
Good.
Yeah, you got it. Brought him into Lake Michigan.
Good.
Police will avoid killing innocent people.
Okay.
Riding a plane is no different than riding a bicycle.
Oh, yes. Okay. Nice. Good.
Finally, we go.
Keep an eye on that number 3.
This is a good one to have if you have the golden ticket, which we need to find. Go ahead. You found it, so. Anyone, yeah.
We're in terrible trouble, over.
Keep going. Yeah. Picked a good one, I think.
Everyone on this plane is in a desperate situation.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Damn it. Oh, that's not bad. Look at that, how
There's
bad
no
it was.
reason to panic.
Oh my God.
Good pick, good pick. Oh, did you pick 3?
I picked that one, yeah.
Just one?
Only one.
Okay, go. Snack. Okay.
Flown for a long
More.
time.
Good.
Keeps hot dog buns
God.
fresh for days.
Otto.
I'm ordering you to stay up there.
Yes. It's running hot. A little hot, sorry.
Oh, a little hot.
Okay, go. I picked 3, go.
You did?
Yeah. Okay.
There must be something you can
Oh my God. That's okay, it's the first one.
The right Otto to fly back to the bottom.
You know what? We did okay. They're all over here.
Otto, look at
Look at
him.
all the collects over here. That is $67. Very nice.
You better tell
Good.
Nice one.
brought him into Lake Michigan. Police will avoid killing innocent people.
300.
A plane is no different than riding a bicycle.
It's no different.
Getting larger.
The corners.
Right Otto to fly back to the bottom.
Hope you enjoy the
Go.
rest of your flight.
Oh,
Do you know what he had for dinner?
he had fish.
Oh, it's a big, pretty
White plane with red stripes.
Looks like I picked the wrong week for drinking.
Come on, can we get a bonus?
I got one.
Nice picks, though. Really.
What the heck is that?
I haven't flown for a long time.
Come on.
Keeps
Jesus.
hot dog buns fresh for days.
I'm ordering you. Surely there must be something.
Oh my God.
No.
Just save it, will you?
Otto to fly back to the
Nice.
I'm the only one
Enjoy the
there.
rest of your flight.
I know.
you face some unpleasant facts.
Go, 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 go. Nice. Oh my God.
Otto, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't
Find us some stuff.
collecting.
Good. Just keep picking the same ones.
Come on, baby.
Good. Find us a... Good.
Keep flying. Get us a...
Good.
Keep flying.
No,
Come on.
no, not to keep flying. That means it ends.
Oh, okay, okay. No.
Come on, find a bonus. Good.
Whoa, he's bum on
Okay, it's okay.
Please bum on 600.
Yeah.
Otto wants 1200? Oh,
I know what it is.
Otto to fly back to the bottom.
That's $72, you know.
nice.
Oh, they were there. That's okay. That's a damn good win. Is he there? We don't even need it.
Just look.
Nice.